Now, whether or not you guys know, over the last several weeks, this week in particular, we've been in quite the bearish run, okay? Now, for those of you who have been following me, you guys watch my videos, you guys know at the start of the year, I mentioned that we were at this resistance level, like 45,000, and we should be expecting the market to go back down, all right? Because we were already at an all-time high. So with that, we've been going down ever since. So all year long, we've been going down, okay, for the entire Q1. So I want to talk about today some things that should help you realize where the market may go, and I want to point out some other levels to watch. All right, check this out. All right, so as you guys can see, this market has been going down since earlier this year, okay? When it hit this all-time high, came back up and retested that level, it's been going down, all right? There was a little hiccup right here for a second, but then it kept going down over the last 2 weeks. You can see that what my level is, the market had went sideways here, came up, came back down to the same area, came up, came back down to the same area for one day, came up, and we blown through. Well, we stopped there yesterday, and then we opened and we blown through that level today. And if you see, we have another level down here, okay? Put my crosshair, you know, we have to watch this area right here. Somewhere in this area, somewhere I would say right around here. That's where the market is right now, okay? So my belief is that we have a chance of the market bouncing and going up tomorrow. And here's why. The way Bitcoin is set up, and one thing I do look at Bitcoin. I consider the way Bitcoin is running because they all run sort of alike. Bitcoin is set up today, and it looks as if it may do a bounce tomorrow and go up. So, you know, we'll have to see about that. Actually, I believe Bitcoin is going up today. So I'm thinking that because of the bounce where it's at, it should continue going up. But we have to see. That's a whole nother ball game right there. But if everything is aligned properly, we could see a bounce. If this level holds up right here, we could see a bounce. And of course, this is going back to that's September of last year. All right. So that's like 6 months ago that we were at this place, at this level. So that's just something to watch, something I'm looking at. You know, it's all about levels with me. So since the market is here, I have to pay attention to this just so that we could be on the right side of the market. All right. So just keep this in mind. If you're trading tomorrow, just look at the overall momentum. If the market seems to be favoring the north side, then you'll understand why. Okay, but there you look, I mean, there's still momentum here, you know, it's still going down, you know, but we have to stop at some point. Okay, so just because we broke through this level, it doesn't mean that we're out of the woods anyway. So that's just something to remember. Now, the fact that we're down here at this place, that gives us a reason to pay attention, because the market could turn around. And while yesterday may have closed bearish and today may have started off bearish, it could pull back up by the end of the day and then be full bullish tomorrow. All right, so that's just something to think about. Just remember that the market makers want to fake us out. All right, so if you remember that, you err on the side of caution, and you remember that while you're trading, you won't get caught up in all the mess. All right, peace and blessings, everyone.